You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this brand of Mexican chocolate. If you want to learn more brand names and vocabulary from Mexico, stay tuned. Spanish pronunciation: Abuelita. Abuelita. Mexican chocolate, you can say it in English as abuelita, abuelita, or in Spanish again, abuelita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.